right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here, Natural Transplants in the DC office. We are excited. We have another Kevin today. Kevin's coming in. Welcome, man. West Virginia?
Yes, sir.
Awesome.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming in. Thanks for doing this and sharing your story with everybody.
You're welcome.
If you wouldn't mind, let everyone know how you found us and what's your goal by being here today.
Yeah. So a lot of research. Have a loving wife has been nudging me to do this for a couple of years.
Nudging, right?
And I went to multiple locations, and sincerely, when we met you, I just felt comfortable.
Yeah.
I felt like this was the right place, and you made me feel comfortable. I'm excited to do this. Really, just want to get some extra volume up here.
Yeah.
I need it. Thinning out, even I'm just 38. So
yeah.
Looking forward to it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have Saul zoom in real quick, and he does kind of sweep some of the hair over to cover it a little bit, but I'm gonna have you just duck your head a little. Mm-hmm. So, but he's got a decent amount of thinning, recession of the hairline, thinning of the frontal third. Typical white guy hair, as we call it. So he's going to get more of the 30% density. We talked that he may need a second coat of paint at some point down the road, but hopefully one will be enough. We're just going to pack it in as tight as we can today, and then see what it looks like in a year and kind of go from there.
Yeah.
Sound good? Awesome.
Good.
We're going to draw it out, do a little bit of shaving, and then we'll check back in with you in a few.
All right.
Cool.
Great.
All right, we are back with Kevin. We shaved just the part we needed to, which we always do. He didn't like the look. His wife didn't like the look either. So we shaved the whole thing. You do not have to shave the whole head, but in some instances, it looks best. Drew out the line, nice and natural look, not too aggressive, a little bit of recession in there, so we'll grow into it. How you doing?
Good.
Good? All right, we got a couple Valium on board, ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. We'll check you out, part-time in the a little later in the surgery.
All right.
Good? Cool.
Thanks.
All right, we are done. Kevin, you made it, man. Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, tell everybody how it went today.
You know what? It was not near as bad as I anticipated. Maybe. Actually, I took the longest nap I've taken in a long time.
You were snoozing for most of. You were sleeping so hard. We actually just blew through lunch and just kept working, and you ate afterwards. But that's good. That's a good sign. It means you're comfortable. So,
yeah. But everything was wonderful, and I'd highly recommend it.
Good.
Yeah, looking
Awesome.
forward to it.
Awesome.
It
Thank
doesn't
you.
even look that bad.
It doesn't look that bad. I'm going to zoom in just to kind of show everybody. We really packed it in tight there. I love the line on it. It's nice and youthful without being too aggressive. I think it's gonna look great, man. I love it.
For sure. Yeah.
Any words of advice? Anybody out there thinking about it, doing the research, been a year or two, kind of, what would you recommend? What would you tell them?
Do it sooner. It took me 3 years to commit.
That's right.
Just do it.
Yeah.
Rip off the Band-Aid.
Awesome, man. Thanks for doing this. Welcome to the family.
All right.
Hopefully we'll follow you along. See you in a year.
All right,
man. See you.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.